According to UNWTO, tourism comprises the activities of a persons traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year for leisure, business, and other purposes. The hospitality industry. Some define hospitality industry as a business of helping people to feel welcome and to relax and enjoy themselves. Hospitality industry is the combination of accommodation and food and beverage groupings collectively making up the largest segment to the industry. What is law? Law is a rule of conduct developed by the government or society over a certain territory. Law follows certain practices and customs in order to deal with crime, business, social relationships, property, and etc. Law implies imposition by a sovereign authority and the obligation of obedience of the part of all subject to that authority.
Tourism law may be defined as a body of rules or principles of action which deals with the regulation, authority, relations, and obedience among members of a society involved in tourist travel and accommodation. It includes person traveling from place to place for pleasure and business establishment or person engaged with the occupation of providing services of tourists. General law, a law that is unrestricted as to time, is applicable throughout the entire territory subject to the power of the legislature that enacted it and applies it to all persons in the same class.
The first example is a customary law. A legal custom is an established pattern of behavior that is objectively verified within a particular social setting. The second example is a foreign law. It is in many cases to take account of the system of foreign law and to determine the rights and liabilities of the parties on that basis.
According to Salmon, special laws are consist of certain other bodies of legal rules which are so special and exceptional in their nature, sources, or application.
The first example is a military law. It's the body of law and procedures governing members of the armed forces, martial law. Law applicable to soldiers as well as civilians in times of war.